Assalamu Alaikum. Welcome to our channel. Today we're going to learn about Islam. Let's discover what Islam is all about. Islam is a religion followed by over 1 billion people around the world. The word Islam means peace and submission. It teaches people to live a peaceful and good life by following the teachings of Allah, the one God. Muslims follow 5 main practices called the 5 pillars of Islam. These pillars help Muslims live their lives in a good way. Let's learn about them. The first pillar is Shahada. It means declaring that there is no God but Allah, and Muhammad is his messenger. It's a way of saying that you believe in only one God and his prophet. The second pillar is Salah, which means prayer. Muslims pray 5 times a day to remember Allah and to stay connected with him. The third pillar is Zakat, which means giving to those in need. Muslims give a part of their money to help others. It teaches us to share and care for everyone. The fourth pillar is Sawm, which means fasting. During the month of Ramadan, Muslims fast from sunrise to sunset. It teaches self-control and reminds us of those who are less fortunate. The fifth pillar is Hajj. It's a special journey to Mecca that Muslims try to make at least once in their lifetime if they can. Hajj is a time for worship and being together with Muslims from all around the world. These are the basics of Islam and the 5 pillars that guide Muslims. Thank you for learning with us today. Remember, Islam teaches us to be kind, to help others, and to live peacefully. See you in our next video, inshallah.